Across the vast ocean, every surge of power depends on precision components working together. Parsun Power, focused on delivering intelligent marine propulsion systems. We also provide genuine OEM outboard parts, one-stop solutions. From lower units to upper covers, drive shafts, crankshafts, precision gears and impellers, from fuel pumps, oil pumps to gear oils, engine oils, and multi-material propellers. Parsun genuine parts, over 20,000 SKUs, cover 200 to 300 horsepower outboard engines, serving over 160 countries and regions. For maintenance or upgrades, we deliver precise solutions for every engine. Parts selection made easy. With our online ordering system, exploded views ensure accurate matching, accurate selection every time. Once ordered, smart dispatch begins. Our digital system manages the process. Warehouse scanning, efficient sorting, standardized handling, full process control. Small parts are individually packed with attention to every detail. Complete sets are packed together. Every order is our commitment to trust. Global orders processed together. Responsive global logistics enable fast shipping worldwide. Standardized production, complete inventory, ready to ship. Parsun Power, through standardized and intelligent service. We support every journey with reliable solutions.